Good morning, boys and girls. This week, we're going to continue working in the Starters books. Are you guys ready? Get ready for Starters. Now open your books and go to page 74. What's the name of the unit? In the street. So let's review some vocabulary about what we find when we go outside in the street. Let's look at exercise 1. Look and write the numbers next to the words. For example, a motorbike is number 8. What number is a car? What number is a helicopter? Complete the exercise, and then let's look at exercise 2. In exercise 2, you need to write the words open, new, closed, and angry. Great job, everybody. Let's continue. Let's look at page 75. Exercise 1. Look at the picture on page 74 again. Draw lines and make sentences. For example, the child in the park is riding his bike. The child is singular, so the verb is 4 people are sitting on the bus. 4 people. People is plural. All of these words are irregular plurals. Can you find out what they mean? In exercise 2, circle and write about what you're doing with your friends. Now let's look at page 76. We're going to listen and read the story together.
Listening 41. Listen and read, then act. 1.
Mum, where are we going? We're going to the shops. Oh no!
2.
Where are we going now? We're going to the clothes shop.
3.
Now where are we going? Now we're going to...
4.
the sweet shop. Yes! Thanks, Mum!
Great job, everybody. Now let's listen to Lucy and tick or cross. Remember, for this exercise, you need to tick or cross each picture.
Listening 42. Listen to Lucy and tick or cross. 1. Hello, Lucy. Now, what are you doing here? And where are your school friends?
Oh, well, Alex and Dan are in the computer room. They're working on the computers there.
Oh, good. Are they with their teacher?
No.
2. And where's your friend Alice?
She's reading a book.
Oh, good. Is she reading her book in the library?
No, she's in the playground.
Oh. 3. And what are Mark and Nick doing?
Well, they're eating lunch.
Oh, what are they eating?
Mark's eating a burger and Nick's eating chicken.
Okay. 4. And what are you doing in class, Lucy?
Oh, I'm drawing this picture. Do you like it?
Yes. That's a very good helicopter. And is that a train next to it?
Yes, that's right.
That's great, Lucy. But can you go and find your teacher now, please?
Okay then.
Great job, everybody. Now let's look at page 77. Here we have page 77, language practice. We have the irregular plural. Questi li abbiamo già fatti a scuola all'inizio dell'anno, ma non fa mai male fare un bel ripasso. No? We have one child. We color the child. And what is the plural of child? Children. One child, two children. So we color the line to the children. Children can be boys or girls. Child can be boys or girls. Person, people. Man, men. Woman, women. Bonus words, boys and girls. I smell bonus words. Remember, boys and girls, practice makes perfect. Okay, the Starter's Book is a great way to practice, practice, practice. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye, butterfly.